Have you ever traveled to a foreign country and found yourself in need of local currency? Or maybe you've wondered how those currency exchange businesses make their profits. Well, if you have a keen eye for currencies and a passion for helping people, starting your own currency exchange business could be the perfect venture for you. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to get started, highlight the benefits of running such a business, and provide some useful tips along the way. So buckle up as we embark on an exciting journey into the world of currency exchange. What is a currency exchange business? A currency exchange business, also known as a foreign exchange or forex business, is a financial service that allows customers to convert one currency into another. This type of business plays a crucial role in facilitating international trade and travel. At its core, a currency exchange business buys and sells different currencies at prevailing market rates. Customers can visit these establishments to exchange their local currency for the foreign currency they need. Whether it's euros, dollars, pounds, or yen, you name it. These businesses typically charge a small fee or earn profits through the spread between buying and selling prices. Currency exchange businesses operate either as physical brick-and-mortar locations or online platforms. In physical locations, customers can walk in with their money and receive the equivalent amount in the desired foreign currency. Online platforms offer added convenience by allowing customers to make transactions electronically from anywhere in the world. To stay competitive and attract more customers, many currency exchange businesses also offer additional services such as wire transfers or prepaid travel cards. This diversification allows them to cater not only to tourists but also to individuals sending money abroad for various purposes like education expenses or supporting family members living overseas. Running a successful currency exchange business requires extensive knowledge of global currencies and their fluctuations. It involves keeping up to date with economic news that may impact exchange rates so that accurate pricing can be provided to customers. A currency exchange business acts as an intermediary, helping individuals convert one form of money into another conveniently. By offering competitive rates and additional services tailored to customer needs, these businesses thrive on providing reliable financial solutions for both travelers and those involved in international transactions. The benefits of starting a currency exchange business. Starting a currency exchange business can bring forth numerous benefits for aspiring entrepreneurs. One of the key advantages is the potential for high profitability. With millions of people traveling internationally each year, there is a constant demand for exchanging currencies. This means that as a currency exchange business owner, you can generate significant revenue through fees and commissions. Moreover, starting a currency exchange business provides the opportunity to become part of a thriving global industry. As international trade and travel continue to grow, so does the need for currency conversion services. By offering these services, you position yourself at the forefront of this dynamic market. Another benefit is that running a currency exchange business allows you to diversify your income streams. In addition to providing traditional foreign currency exchanges, you can also offer additional financial products such as prepaid travel cards or money transfers. Additionally, opening a currency exchange business gives you autonomy and flexibility in terms of location and operating hours. Whether it's setting up shop in popular tourist destinations or near major transportation hubs like airports or train stations, you have the freedom to choose where your business will thrive best. Furthermore, establishing relationships with banks and other financial institutions will not only enhance your credibility but also create opportunities for collaboration and partnerships within the industry. Starting a currency exchange business offers enticing benefits such as high profitability potential, participation in an ever-growing global market, diversification of income streams by offering additional financial products, services related to foreign currencies while enjoying autonomy and choosing locations and operating hours. The steps to starting a currency exchange business. Starting a currency exchange business can be an exciting venture, but it also requires careful planning and execution. Here are the essential steps you need to take in order to start your own currency exchange business. 1. Research and analyze the market. Before diving into any business, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and analysis of the market. Identify potential competitors, understand customer needs, and determine the demand for currency exchange services in your target area. 2. Create a solid business plan. A well-crafted business plan will serve as a roadmap for your currency exchange business. It should include details about your target audience, pricing strategies, marketing plans, financial projections, and operational procedures. 3. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Currency exchange businesses are highly regulated entities that require specific licenses or permits depending on your jurisdiction. Contact local authorities or regulatory bodies to understand the legal requirements needed to operate legally. 4. Secure funding. Starting any new venture requires capital investment. Calculate startup costs including rent for a physical location, if applicable, equipment such as cash counters or computer systems, software solutions for managing transactions effectively, staffing expenses, marketing initiatives, etc. 5. Find suitable premises, location. If you opt for a physical storefront instead of an online platform for your currency exchange service provider company, consider renting or buying suitable premises that offer convenience for customers while complying with regulations related to security measures. 6. Establish partnerships with banks, financial institutions. In order to provide customers with different types of currencies at competitive rates, establish strong relationships with banks or financial institutions that can provide you regular access to foreign currencies required by clients. 7. Develop effective risk management strategies. Currency markets can be volatile. Hence, it is important to develop robust risk management strategies like setting appropriate limits on transaction size per client per day, implementing real-time monitoring mechanisms, etc., mitigating potential risks associated with fluctuating forex rates. Remember, starting a currency exchange business may seem daunting at first, but by following these steps and staying committed to delivering excellent customer service, you can establish what you need to start a currency exchange business. Starting a currency exchange business requires careful planning and preparation. Here are some key things you'll need to get started. 1. Capital. To operate a currency exchange business, you'll need sufficient capital to purchase different currencies in bulk and have cash available for customers' exchanges. 2. Licenses and permits. Research the legal requirements and regulations for currency exchange businesses in your jurisdiction. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits to ensure compliance with local laws. 3. Location. Choose a strategic location with high foot traffic, such as near popular tourist destinations or financial districts, where there is a demand for currency exchange services. 4. Knowledge of currency markets. Stay informed about current exchange rates, economic trends, and geopolitical events that can impact currency values. This knowledge will help you provide accurate information to your customers. 5. Security measures. Implement robust security measures to safeguard both your physical premises and customer transactions from theft or fraud. 6. Technology infrastructure. Invest in reliable computer systems, software solutions for tracking transactions, real-time rate displays, and secure payment processing options. 7. Marketing strategy. Develop an effective marketing strategy to attract customers through online advertising, social media presence, partnerships with travel agencies or hotels, or offering competitive rates. 8. Staffing. Hire knowledgeable staff who excel at customer service and possess strong math skills for accurately calculating exchanges. Remember that starting a currency exchange business requires ongoing diligence in monitoring market fluctuations and adjusting your practices accordingly to remain competitive in this dynamic industry. Currency exchange business tips. Currency exchange business tips. Starting a currency exchange business can be a rewarding venture, but it's important to stay informed and take the necessary steps to ensure success. Here are some tips to help you along the way. 1. Stay updated on market trends. Currency exchange rates fluctuate constantly, so it's crucial to keep yourself informed about the latest market trends and economic news. This will enable you to make better decisions when buying or selling currencies. 2. Build relationships with banks and financial institutions. Developing strong partnerships with banks and financial institutions is essential for your currency exchange business. These organizations can provide you with access to foreign currencies at competitive rates and offer valuable insights into the industry. 3. Provide excellent customer service. In any business, exceptional customer service goes a long way in building loyalty and attracting new customers. Make sure your staff is well trained in providing efficient, friendly, and accurate services to all clients. 4. Invest in technology. Utilize modern technology solutions such as online platforms or mobile apps that allow customers to conveniently exchange currencies without having to visit your physical location. This not only enhances customer experience but also expands your reach beyond local clientele. 5. Implement strict security measures. Currency exchanges deal with large sums of money, making them vulnerable targets for fraud or theft. Install robust security systems like surveillance cameras, alarms, secure storage facilities, encrypted software systems, etc., ensuring the safety of both cash transactions and customer data. 6. Advertise effectively. Promote your currency exchange business through targeted marketing efforts such as social media advertising campaigns or partnering with travel agencies or hotels frequented by international tourists who may require currency conversion services. 7. Prepare for compliance requirements. Be aware of legal regulations governing currency exchange businesses in your region. This includes obtaining necessary licenses and adhering strictly to anti-money laundering (AML) laws designed to prevent illicit activities within the industry. Remember that starting any business requires dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to